Christmas is coming, and you are probably looking for Christmas jigsaw puzzles. Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below, choose your favorite, and start your countdown for Christmas. Number 1. Santa makes the final naughty or nice decision before embarking on his annual journey. These beautifully illustrated jigsaw puzzles are perfect for passing the time in anticipation of Christmas, by Vermont Christmas Company. Number 2. Enjoy a wonderful selection of USPS holiday stamps featuring Santa, nutcrackers, reindeer, snowmen, etc., all with a vivid and cheerful flavor assembled in a 1,000-piece puzzle by White Mountain Puzzles. Number 3. A spectacular rendition of the traditional nativity scene presented in stained glass. These beautifully illustrated jigsaw puzzles are perfect for passing the time in anticipation of Christmas. Puzzle includes 1,000 pieces and measures 30×24 when completed, by Vermont Christmas Company. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.